bet. We've got Hampton Beach this morning. A couple of folks out there already getting a nice walk in to take in the sunrise. Going to be a really fantastic day. In fact, today and tomorrow, both looking simply gorgeous. We've got some nice weather the next couple of days. Humidity is going to slowly return by the weekend, and with that, that's our next chance of showers and storms. So Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, all looking dry if you have plans. And we've only had a couple of days of rain this month. Back on the 2nd, we had nearly an inch. We had some, of course, on Saturday, but just trace rainfall amounts earlier this week. We just had those stubborn clouds for a while yesterday. Not today. The skies are clear above, but down at ground level, we do have some fog that has developed, and you can see that here, reducing the visibility from the North Shore up to the New Hampshire seacoast, down here along the South Shore, the Cape Cod Canal, and back toward Orange, all looking at reduced visibility. So keep that in mind if you're going to be coming on in. We're running a quarter to a half a mile where we have the fog, so it may slow you down just a little bit. Not an issue in town right now. We're at 65 degrees. Worcester down to 59, a few lower 50s, Norwood to Taunton. Cool, comfortable start. We've got this dry air in place. There you see how clear it is above on the satellite imagery. High pressure nosing on in. This is going to give us nice weather the next couple of days. Now there is a front to the north, and this may try to build up a few clouds and a couple of isolated showers and storms up across central and northern New England. But here, lots of sunshine and enough of a west-southwesterly wind that we keep that sea breeze away today. So mid-80s, Boston, a few upper 80s possible, Metro West, Merrimack Valley, Lawrence 87, Taunton 84, with that southwesterly wind even close to 80 on Cape Cod today, so it is a nice one. See just a couple of clouds through the afternoon. Any showers and storms will be to our north, and we'll stay mainly clear tonight. Another comfortable sleeping night. Low to mid-60s across the area, cooler suburbs in the 50s, and we'll do it again tomorrow in the 80s, just a couple of degrees cooler than today as a light sea breeze tries to develop. So we've got this dry air in place through Thursday. Starting on Friday, we're going to start to inch up that humidity, and that will lead to at least the threat of a couple of showers and storms this weekend. Tropical storm Franklin has come off the Yucatan, now back into the Bay of Campeche. The winds are up to 65 miles per hour now. It may strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before it hits once again near Mexico City, bringing more heavy rain. And in addition to Franklin, there is another tropical wave behind it that we're keeping a close eye on. Hurricane Center giving this a 40% chance of development. This may come close to the East Coast next week, so we'll watch it for you indeed. With those increasing humidity levels on Friday, we stay dry. Friday night and Saturday, front lifts northward. That could bring a few showers, at least a part of the area on Saturday morning. And then another front off to the west is going to try to bring some thunderstorms, but they may hold off till Sunday afternoon or more likely Monday. So that leaves the bulk of the weekend with plenty of dry time. So if you make your plans for the weekend, no washouts expected. Just 1 or 2 showers and storms around.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Wednesday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Nice summer weather coming back at us. Big area of high pressure building on in. That means a lot of sunshine here. A little front to the north is going to bring more clouds and a couple isolated showers and storm across for northern New England. Not worried about that here. We'll have a lot of sunshine. Just a few fair weather clouds into the afternoon. And that wind out of the west-southwest just strong enough to keep the sea breeze away today. So look at that high temperature in Boston. 85 degrees. May sneak up into the mid and upper 80s. Metro West, the Merrimack Valley, close to 80 degrees on Cape Cod. A good looking Wednesday on the way. Just a little patchy fog may get going overnight. Temperatures drop into the upper 50s and lower 60s. You can leave those windows open tonight, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Another day filled with sunshine, and the wind's just a little bit lighter, and that may allow a weak sea breeze to build in the afternoon. So temperatures 1 or 2 degrees cooler, especially at the coastline tomorrow as compared to today. Quiet for the rest of the week as high pressure moves right overhead. More humid air is sitting just to our west. So as we get into Friday, that's going to start to feed on in. It's a very gradual process though. So by the end of the day on Friday, those dew points start to sneak back up to 60 degrees. So it starts to get a little sticky late Friday. You're going to notice the humidity really building in to start the weekend on Saturday. In the meantime, we're keeping an eye on the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Franklin. The winds have come up to 70 miles per hour. This is now back here in the Bay of Campeche. These warm waters, weak wind flow, allowing this thing to strengthen. So this is nearing hurricane strength. It is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane before it moves westward toward Mexico City in the next 24 to 36 hours. It will bring additional heavy rain here and also stronger winds, but continue that westward track and not really bother the United States at all. But behind this tropical storm, there is a tropical wave that we're keeping an eye on. Hurricane Center giving this a 40% chance that it does form into something into the next 5 days, and the winds may steer it closer to the eastern seaboard next week. So we'll keep an eye on that. In the meantime, on Friday, that increasing humidity humidity will bring in more clouds. So it's a partly sunny day, but it should be dry on Friday. There's a front to our south that will try to lift northward with an area of low pressure on Saturday, and that could bring a few showers on Saturday morning, especially Boston south. And then skies should brighten a bit in the afternoon. Pretty quiet weekend overall. Another front to our west may allow a couple of thunderstorms to build on Sunday, but a better chance with that front coming through on Monday. That's when we see some showers and storms. So not a bad weekend. Temperatures running either side of 80 for the weekend. We're going to keep that sea breeze away the rest of the afternoon. So in Boston over the next 12 hours, winds stay out of the west-southwest. The temperatures will sneak up a few more degrees. We should top out about 84, 85 degrees this afternoon with some mid, even upper 80s possible Metro West and the Merrimack Valley, and we'll hold pretty close to that 80-degree mark on Cape Cod. So a nice afternoon on the way. You can see a few of those fair weather clouds developing here, but any shower, thunderstorm activity pretty far to the north and west, and anything that develops kind of fizzles out as it heads in our direction. So mainly clear overnight. Could be a little patchy fog developing by tomorrow morning, as we saw in a few localized spots this morning. Temperatures tonight nice and comfortable. You can leave the windows open. Upper 50s, lower 60s, mid 60s downtown. And tomorrow we'll do it again. We're going up in the 80s, a lot of sunshine, lighter winds, so a bit of a sea breeze may develop on the coastline as high pressure moves right overhead. And on the other side of this high, there is more humidity waiting for us, and this will come in starting on Friday, and you're especially going to notice it by the weekend. In the tropics, we continue to monitor Tropical Storm Franklin. This has gotten better organized. 4 miles per hour way of being our first hurricane of the 2017 Atlantic season. It is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane as it heads toward Mexico City in the next 24 hours. Heavy rain, strong winds expected there, but this will not be a factor for the U.S. And behind this, there is another wave that we're going to watch closely. Hurricane Center giving about a 40% chance that this develops into something, and this could get closer to the East Coast next week, so we will watch it for you. In the meantime, the humidity comes up on Friday, and that'll bring in a few more clouds, but it's dry. We're going to watch a frontal boundary to our south. A wave of low pressure may come close enough early Saturday to bring in a few showers, and then the focus will be off to the west with that other front. That'll be the focus for showers and thunderstorms, but it may take until Monday before that front pushes through, so no washouts this weekend. More humid, a few more clouds around, but just the risk of a shower or thunderstorm looking okay for the weekend. Erica and Antoinette.